Hi everyone, so in this video we have discussed the conventional method to solve this given question. If you're looking at a shortcut to solve this particular question or you want to understand the concept in detail, you can check out my course link in the description where I've explained this concept and a lot of other concepts along with shortcut tips and tricks and past CAT questions in great detail. Alright, a container contains 200 liters of a solution of acid and water having 30% acid by volume. Atul replaces 20% of this solution with water, then replaces 10% of the resulting solution with acid, and finally replaces 15% of the solution thus obtained with water. The percentage of acid by volume in the final solution obtained after these three replacements is nearest to. Alright, so we have a 200 liters solution. In this, let's keep the count of acid and water content every time, right? So initially, there is 30% of acid. 30% of 200 is 30 upon 100 into 200. So 60 and 200 minus 60 is 140 liters of water. Now Atul is replacing 20% of this solution with water, right? So if 20% of the solution is replaced with water, 20% of acid will be removed, right? 20% is 1/5. 20% is 1/5. So 1/5 of acid is removed means 12 liters of acid was removed and 48 liters acid is left. Similarly, 1/5 of water would be removed. 1/5 of 140 would be 5 twos are and 28. 28 liters of water is removed. And now you're left with 112 liters of water. And you are replacing the entire 1/5 of the mixture by water only. 20% of the solution is replaced with water. So 20% of 200 is 1/5 of 200. That is 40 liters of the entire solution is removed. You can observe 12 plus 28 is indeed 40. And now these 40 liters of water is added. Okay, 40 liters of mixture is removed and we are adding 40 liters of pure water. So now the water content is 112 plus 40, that's 152 liters, and the acid content is 48 liters, right? This is the content of acid and water left in the mixture. Next step, he then replaces 10% of the resultant solution with acid. So 10% of the entire mixture is removed. The mixture is still 200 liters. 10% would be what? 1 by 10th? That's 20 liters. Okay, so 1/10 of acid will be removed. 1/10 of 48 will be 4.8 liters acid removed, and 1/10 of water will also be removed. 1/10 of 152 would be 15.2. So 48 minus 4.8 will be 43.2 liters acid, and 152 minus 15.2 is 136.8. These many liters, right? And you are replacing this entire mixture with acid. So 20 liters of the mixture was removed. You can see 4.8 plus 15.2 is indeed 20. So 20 liters of acid is added into the mixture. So we add 20 to this. 20 liters plus 43.2 liters is 63.2 liters, right? 63.2 liters acid and 136.8 liters of water. And lastly, 15% of the mixture was removed and replaced with water. So 200 liters of the mixture is there. From that, you are removing 15%. 200 will be 30 liters. So 30 liters of the mixture is getting removed, and 15% of acid will also be removed, right? So 15% of 63.2 would be 9.48. 9.4 liters of acid is removed. So 63.2 minus 9.48 will be 53.72. That's the amount of acid left in liters. Same way, the water content is also reduced by 15%, right? 15% of water would be removed. 136.8, 15% will be 20.52. 20.52 is removed. Okay, so what remains is 136.8 minus 20.52. That's 116.28. And you are replacing the entire mixture by water. So 30 liters removed gets completely added as 30 liters of pure water. So now the water content will be plus 30, 116.28 plus 30, 146.28. Okay, well, this step is not required. You can skip this step. Okay, because you understand that the final acid content is 53.72 and that is out of 200 liters. That's what they're asking you, right? The percentage of acid in the final solution. Okay, so acid content in the final mixture is 53.72 and that is out of total 200 liters, right? So 53.72 upon 200 times 100. This is 26.86%. This is precisely 26.86%, and that's roughly 27, right? 27% approximately. This is my A option, right?